Uh-oh, last spin. Oh, plus $2. When it starts giving you a little better numbers, it usually quits. Come on now, save it. Oh, she saved it. She's incredible. She's got the touch. Come on, Prairie Band, make us rich tonight. People of YouTube want to see us get rich tonight. Show them how these low rollers do it. Save it. Oh, saved it. Back to 4. I think we're going to get $5,591. Oh, $15. What the H? Oh, my God. I've never seen that happen before on 88-cent bonus. Holy cow. Oh, we love Firecrackers. Come on. Oh my God, plus $25. What the edge is going on right now? I'm being punked. Where's Aston Kutcher? Where is he? All right, 3 spins left to get the grand. The way it's going, I wouldn't be surprised now. My God, $40 ball down there. All right, keep it going. Keep it going. $1. Drop one of those big numbers again. Come on. Save it. Oh, last spin. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, it's over, but the bird's still helping us. Throw $25 down again. That was incredible. Oh my gosh, YouTubes, you saw it here live. We're living large in our low rolling. Yes, yes. That was an absolutely incredible run. 10 times our bet almost. Or 100 times almost. Sorry, my math is hard.